Can I give you more, child?
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's a brand new week. It's Monday, so I thought that I would pick up the camera and vlog this week. But before we even get started into the vlog, I just wanted to say a quick thank you to HYDE for collaborating with me on a section of this vlog, but we'll get into that a little bit later. So this has just been a working from home day. Since I was out last week, I feel like I had a little bit to catch up on. So yeah, it was a busy Monday. I actually took off all of last week and I used that time to be able to move. So I guess that's a new life update. I'm in a new apartment. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys a couple things that I got from Amazon and I think Target. Just a couple things that I got for the apartment. I'm still kind of slowly taking my time and getting some stuff because I don't want to go crazy. So one thing that I needed for my kitchen was a cutting board, and I just love the look of wood cutting boards. So I looked online on Amazon and I found this wooden checker cutting board and I just love it a lot. It's so thick, it feels just very sturdy. So there's that one. And then, so something else I got are a number of amber jar glass bottles, and I love the way that amber glass looks. I think that it looks really nice. So I got a few of these to put things like hand wash, hand sanitizer. These are both from Amazon. And then I got this one from Target, and I just keep some dish soap in here in my kitchen. And then this last one I actually use to make homemade air freshener. So I keep one here in my kitchen, spray it in the living room, and have this lemon fresh scent.
Can I give you more?
Today is a friend's birthday, so a few of us are just gonna meet up for dinner. It'll be pretty casual, but I kind of feel like putting on some makeup on my face and just feel a little bit more awake. And then I also wanted to run to Trader Joe's and pick up some flowers, so I'm gonna try and do that. I love working from home. I honestly wouldn't have it any other way, but sometimes, you know, there's pros and cons to everything in this life. If you're not careful, it's really easy to kind of get a little bit lazy if there's no routine or anything like that. And sometimes I'm just like PJs till 12, and other days it's like 9 a.m. I'm already ready for the day. So you know what, I have to also give myself grace because we've been doing this for so long, and it's not, you know, this is not typical, you know.
And right then, I could see myself for what you see in me, and I think, you know, the end is worth the time you put in me. So I'm in. I give you all of my faith. You could take all my sins. I'ma follow your ways and give you everything.
Okay, so I'm in the middle of trying on some clothes, trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear to dinner tonight. My friend is actually coming very soon, so I kind of need to get it together. But I wanted to quickly share with you guys some really cute and affordable handbags, and these are all handbags that HYDE actually sent me, and I'm really happy to get to collaborate with them. HYDE is an affordable handbag brand, and they really focus on just bringing beautiful bags at an affordable price. And you know, I love me some affordable items, so I love that all of these bags are around $40 or less. They are really big on quality bags as well. So I have 4 bags, but I was also able to get another set of the same exact handbags. So I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway on the second set of these handbags. So I'm going to show all of these bags with outfits, but I wanted to just quickly show you guys a close-up. So the first bag is this one right here. This bag is called Esme, and it's a leather dumpling bag, and I just think that this bag is so nice and also just gives off a very classy look to it. I feel like this bag will go with so many different outfits. So this bag actually comes with a strap that you can take off, so I think that's a really nice touch. So there's this one, and this purse is $35.90. So next up is HYDE, and this is my favorite of the bags. This bag just kind of reminds me of the fall, which is my favorite season, and it just has these brown tones, this houndstooth plaid looking print, and I just love it. I feel like it goes really well with brown tones as well as just really neutral colors. And this bag also comes with a longer strap, but for me, I love me some short straps. I love small handbags, so this is just right up my alley. And then this bag is $38.90. Okay, so my camera just died, but the next bag is this one. And I was just drawn to this purse specifically because of this rope handle. And it's interesting because I wouldn't normally pick a purse that was this color. I typically just don't go for, you know, leathers of this color, but I thought that it would be nice to try something different. And this purse as well is $38.90. And because of the neutral color, I feel like it also can go with quite a lot of things. So this one is definitely a great addition to my bag collection. So next up is this purse right here. And out of all of the purses, this one is actually just slightly over $40. This one is $43.90, so still around that $40 benchmark. So this bag was an additional one that was sent, and at first I didn't actually know if I would like it. I typically gravitate towards mini bags that have a short shoulder strap, but this one was definitely a lot different. But as I was just, you know, looking at it a little bit more and playing around with it, I actually really like this bag now. I feel like it has a very professional look to it, but can definitely elevate a really simple outfit, even, you know, something like what I'm wearing right now. Right now, I'm not going into the office, but I feel like if I was, this would be a really great bag to bring to work. I feel like even though it is pretty small, it does fit a good amount of stuff. So this one definitely surprised me, but I think it's always nice to kind of switch it up and try something new. So I'm gonna try on a few outfits with these purses and you guys can see how it looks styled. Okay, so my first outfit option is this look right here, you know, simple black on denim. So I'm wearing these high-rise denim shorts that I got from Zara about a couple years ago, and I just love these shorts. I feel like the length is really nice, and then I'm also just wearing it with this sheer and very lightweight top, and then I just have on some very simple black sandals. I'm also just wearing these paper clip earrings, and then I paired the outfit with the Esme bag, and I feel like it looks so great with this outfit. I feel like it actually fits quite a lot in here. Okay, so for outfit number 2, we're going for a brown on brown ensemble, and this dress is from And Other Stories. I really love this dress, and you guys know that I love me some maxi dresses, so yeah, there's this dress, and then I'm pairing it with the HYDE purse. I don't know, I just really love it. I feel like it's very different from the bags that I have. Okay, so this is outfit option number 3, and it's very casual. I feel like this is probably my most comfortable thing to wear, just some denim jeans and a simple black top. I feel like if I was a cartoon character, this would pretty much be my outfit. So these jeans that I'm wearing are from Levi's, and then this black top is actually just a black bodysuit, and it's from the brand Jill or Gil Rodriguez, and they have a lot of basics. So this third outfit, I'm pairing it with the third bag from BURTEN HYDE. So this bag also has this long strap if you want to wear it like this, and you can actually unclip it too. Yeah, I think this is a little bit more my speed. So since I'm wearing something really casual, if I was to go out to dinner like this with this bag, I feel like it makes it look a little bit less casual. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is the last option. I'm curious which outfit and which purse that you guys liked best. I most likely won't wear this one because I just wore this dress on Sunday, but I think it looks really nice with this purse. They're both very simple, and like I mentioned earlier, I've wanted to be able to send you guys something as a token of appreciation for just coming along on this journey. So I have 4 purses, and 2 of you guys will win 2 purses each, and it'll be at random. So if you're interested in any of these bags, please feel free to enter the giveaway. And for those of you guys who just wanted to go ahead and purchase any bags from BURTEN HYDE, I was able to get a 10% discount code, so I'm gonna leave that right here. But yeah, I'm so excited to get to ship some of these bags out to you guys, and I hope that you guys love them as much as I'm loving them. So I changed back into that first outfit, just the simple black top, the denim shorts, and then this black purse. So that'll pretty much be my Tuesday night. Just some food, dinner, seeing my friend for her birthday.
Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you.
Yay, so I'm happy that my closet is finally organized. I've kind of been avoiding this closet since I moved in because I just didn't want to deal with it, but I'm happy that I organized everything. It's still not perfect because I don't have a dresser yet, so everything in the top rack needs to be put in a dresser, but at least for now it's not looking stressful in here.
For you, I will fight, cause this is a war. I loaded, start busting, cause I am in love with thee. When I'm feeling down, you're the best company, and even when I'm going back.
Good morning, happy Friday. I feel like I really was neglecting vlogging this past couple days because I've been working from home. To be honest, it's just not much going on. So one of the things that I wanted to get done this morning is do some budgeting and also figure out what groceries I want for the week. So that's on my to-do list. And I never really put on makeup or anything in the morning before work really, but today I just kind of felt like it. One of my friends has a podcast that I'm gonna be shooting today during my lunch break, and I just kind of wanted to get ready now. I know that I have to be pretty strict with my budget this month because moving is not cheap, you guys. I feel like I keep remembering the little things that I need. I was looking at all of my purchases in the last month, and I did not realize how much I spent on Uber Eats in the month of July, you guys. It's not okay. It's not okay.
Even when I'm done with me, how you keep loving me in my world.
Okay, so this is the outfit for today. Pretty simple. This brown dress. Honestly, putting on a dress makes me feel a lot more productive for the day. I don't know what it is, so now I'm gonna try to spend the next hour or so trying to plan stuff, budgeting my food situation, the podcast that I'll be on today. It'll be at 1, and I kind of want to look over the notes that my friend sent me for what we'll be talking about. It'll be a discussion on modesty, and yeah, so I want to look over what what the questions are.
Trying to find my way back to.
Okay, so it's 1 o'clock, so yeah, I'm gonna log into the link that she provided and should be good. So right now it's a few hours later. This week I started off the week thinking it was going to be pretty jam-packed, but it's not the case at all. I've really just been chilling and just trying to get my life together with moving into this new apartment. So yeah, I thought I'd be doing a lot more, but I've just really wanted to rest. Right now I just wanted to do some grocery shopping, and I'm curious what you guys do when you're like planning your groceries and everything like that. Ugh. I forgot my journal on the table, 1 sec. So I'm curious how you guys plan your groceries. Do you guys look at recipes? What do you guys do to kind of figure out how you're gonna be eating for the week? For me, I've been going online and just kind of looking up different recipes that I can try. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, actually, first of all, what I should do is budget and like actually have my budget down so that I can not be reckless with my grocery shopping. I was trying to figure out how much money I'll be spending in August. I don't know, I think just in the past couple months, just different activities. In summer, it's like just wanting to be outside and eat out and spend money. But now it's like, okay girl, let's reel that back in. So I'm gonna cancel a couple of subscriptions. I had tried Audible, and then you know when you forget to cancel a subscription? Yep, I still gotta cancel that one. And then I had this workout app on my phone called Sweat, and I haven't used it in a couple months, but still getting that $19.99 charge every month. So it's like, let me cut off the things that I'm not actively using. So yeah, let's actually do that. Budgeting. To be an adult, it's like, where is the manual? My prayer is just to be a really good steward of the money and the income that I have.
Talk to me. Why don't you talk to me like you used to? You don't talk to me. Why don't you talk to me like you used to? You don't. Been in my bed.
You guys, I'm so excited because I recently just got some chairs from the company France and Son, and I feel like I'm gonna probably talk about them a little bit more in another video. I've been waiting for them for a couple weeks now, and I feel like they're gonna make my apartment just feel a lot better, so I hope that I just love them. Yay! Here's one.
Been in my head.
So these are the chairs, a really quick sneak peek. Yeah, I think I'm loving them. I think they fit right in. All right guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here, and I hope that you guys have a great rest of the week, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Don't you talk to me like you used to. You don't talk to me.